How to prepare 1 normal HCl. Concentrated HCl has strength of approximately 31 to 36%. Let's take off example of 36%. In case of 36% means 360 ml HCl is present per 1000 ml of solution. To calculate the amount of concentrated acid needs to be diluted to prepare 1 normal of HCl, let's follow the following steps. Step 1. First step is calculate weight of HCl in 360 ml of HCl by multiplying it with specific gravity of 36% HCl, which is 1.1789. Specific gravity varies according to the percent solution. If solution is 32%, it will vary. So you can check on the bottle of HCl which you are using how much percentage it has and what is the specific gravity of that particular percentage. In this case we are using 36% HCl which have the specific gravity of 1.1789. So we will use this formula, multiply the specific gravity with the mLs of HCl and we get the value of 424.08 gram, which is means 360 ml of HCl is equal to 424.08 grams of HCl. Now step 2. Calculate number of moles in 424.08 gram of HCl by using formula of number of moles, which is equal to weight divided by molecular weight of the HCl. So weight is equal to 424.08 divided by molecular weight of HCl, that is 36.5. We get the value of 11.6 moles, which is also equal to normality of the HCl. So normality of 36% HCl is equal to 11.6 normal. Step 3. Prepare 1 normal HCl by using the normality equation, that is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. In case of N1V1, we are taking the normality and volume of concentrated HCl, and N2V2 means normality of the desired solution, that is 1 normal HCl and volume to be prepared. So we have the normality of concentrated HCl 11.6 normal and we need to calculate V1 for dilution to prepare 1 normal HCl solution. So put the values of N2 as 1 normal, and suppose we are preparing only 100 ml, so put the value 100 in case of V2. We can calculate V1 as 8.6 ml. Means to prepare 100 ml of 1 normal HCl from concentrated HCl, 8.6 ml of concentrated acid is diluted up to 100 ml of water. Different normal solutions can be prepared by using the above equation by changing the value of required volume and normality of the required solution. For example, to prepare 500 ml of 0.5 normal HCl, use the same equation N1V1 is equal to N2V2. But now we have different values for N2 and V2. N2 is equal to 0.5 normal and V2 is equal to 500 ml. So put the values in again the same equation and calculate the V1, which is 21.5 ml. So to prepare 500 ml of 0.5 normal HCl, we need 21.5 ml of concentrated acid and is diluted up to 500 ml. Thank you for watching.